Hi everyone, Aaron here, and today we're unboxing something really cool. It's a new piece of smart home tech, the ROIDMI Eve Plus. This is a hands-free robot vacuum mop and collection system. This state-of-the-art home device is made by ROIDMI, a company focusing on the development of high-quality cleaning products. And on this occasion, they are working with Xiaomi to develop this smart cleaner. Today I have with me the ROIDMI Eve Plus. We're going to be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of this smart cleaner. Here we have the ROIDMI Eve Plus, the vacuum robot and mop itself, and the dust collector. So here we have everything from outside of the box. We have the vacuum itself, the dust collector which charges and is the home station for this robot, and also some mop heads as well. First of all, very cool design. I'm loving the white and black color schemes. It's not very heavy at all, very minimalistic and chic looking. I think this will fit in most technophiles' homes. First thing I notice is the buttons on the front. So we have the power on button, we have the return to home button so it can deposit the dust or dirt, and also charge. And something here is called the spot function. So if there is a part of the floor that you want to clean, you simply touch that and it will do a localized cleaning section by scanning the environment. So very cool tech. Let's see on the back side all of the parts in motion, all of the devices in this smart robot. So we can see here there are the side brushes that are going to be pushing dirt and debris into the main brush. There is a 360 degree omni wheel here. That means that it gives the robot the full range of motion to be able to turn 360 degrees. We also have here some side wheels that are retractable and have some very good grip on them here. So this means that the robot itself can actually climb over small obstacles such as curbs and carpets. It can go and up to 2 centimeters clean different types of carpet depending on what it senses and also what you program it to do within the app. The app is very interesting that comes along with this robot vacuum and mop cleaner. We will get into that slightly later. So after the wheels, we have the main brush, which will be collecting all of the dirt and debris. You can replace or clean the brush like so. You take off the outer housing and then you simply pull it out like that, very easy. The next part is the water container. Again, lovely click coming out there telling us when we are disconnected, and you're going to remove this tab here and fill this up with some of that good old H2O. Next up we have the mop heads. So as I've said before, not only does this sweep and collect dust, it vacuums, it also mops. So this is the wet mop head. As you can see, it simply attaches and detaches through Velcro. Once you have put this on and there is water in the water container, which holds up to 250 milliliters of water, you'll be able to just slide this on like so. And now the robot vacuum is also ready to mop. And we have these dry ones here that have a very soft material here, lots of tiny fine hairs that will pick up a lot of the smaller debris. So you can use this to polish your floors and make sure that they are looking as shiny as possible. Also at the front we see they have a little piece of rubber here to stop any scratches along any appliances. I don't think this ever touches any walls or objects in your house, like I've said, because of the AI system, the sensors, but just in case they have added something here to stop any damage to the vacuum and your appliances or furniture. Why don't we turn it on?
System is starting.
Okay, the system is starting. Thank you very much, ROIDMI Eve Plus.
Device is connected.
Okay, and what's cool about this is I don't think it will actually fall off of the table because of the AI systems. It's scanning around, and as you can see, it's realizing that there's nowhere else to go, and it is coming back. So
Shut down.
okay, so let's move on to the ROIDMI Eve Plus dust collector. It comes here with the dust collector itself, which is used to charge the ROIDMI Eve Plus robot. Inside this box is the charging cable and also 2 extra dust bags that have 3 liter capacity and last up to 30 days of dust collection, which is very interesting. In this bag as well are some antibacterial and anti-smell functions. So when you do need to remove the bags, there will be no odor, and also it is okay to touch. So inside the top, we have the dust bag itself, which is easily removed by pulling up this handle and pulling out the bag. So as you can see here, if there was dust inside, it will all be contained. This is how the dust enters, but when you remove the bag, you pull this up and it closes. When you have a new one ready to insert, you simply stick it down like so, and your dust is being ready to be put into the bag. Inside here we have a brush for the ROIDMI Eve Plus robot. This is used to clean the brushes with this little tool and any other dirt that may be collected in the ROIDMI Eve Plus robot. Front of the dust collector has a touchscreen smart interface that will show you the remaining battery percentage and other information such as the amount of cleans required until the next charge. And the charging ports at the bottom here is what will be charging your ROIDMI Eve Plus robot. When it returns home, it will make contact with these 2 pins and begin charging. Another thing to note is at the back, there is a small viewfinder so you can see all of the dust inside of your ROIDMI Eve Plus robot. Okay, so let's get into the part that I've been excited about, and that is going into the app that goes along with the ROIDMI Eve Plus smart cleaning technology. So you can access this through the ROIDMI app or the Mi Home app. Once you go in, you will see your device. You can see I've named mine Tilly because the voice that comes out for me sounds like a Tilly. So once we go in, you can see that it's made an AI sensor space of my apartment. So it has mapped out my entire apartment, all of the obstacles, everything on my first floor. So you can see here the whole map. Now, there are lots of features that I could get into, but I just want to go into the ones that I think are really cool. So first, everything can be controlled through the app. This is essentially the go button, just means go, start cleaning. And this one is return to base, refuel your batteries so you can keep cleaning. You can see I've already set up my own custom cleaning map. So this is the area that I want mopped. This is the area that I don't want the ROIDMI Eve Plus to enter. And this is totally adjustable and customizable for your space and apartment. Another cool thing is that I can just tell the ROIDMI Eve Plus to go to this area right now. I can adjust the size and then I can simply say go and it will begin cleaning. Or I can tell it to go to this point within my apartment. Also, I can adjust the suction from the app. I can adjust it from quiet to standard all the way up to max, and also the mopping level of water. I can go from no water to the full amount of water. So I can really have full control over this ROIDMI Eve Plus from my device. And I can also set up scheduled cleaning times, which is really cool. And I head into the regular cleaning. Another thing to note is that I can change the dust collection methods depending on the size of my space. I can also use the use of radar to stop collisions. Again, if there are any collisions, I don't think any problem here due to the design of the ROIDMI Eve Plus, but also because it has so many sensors, it can use radar to detect collisions and prevent. So this ROIDMI Eve Plus can cover 250 square meters with a total runtime of 250 minutes. In conclusion, with all of these features shown, the ROIDMI Eve Plus is one of the world's most advanced smart home appliances. It's fully automated, convenient, and it's all ran from your smartphone. I have had a blast checking out the ROIDMI Eve Plus. I'm so excited to see what else they can come up with. This has been my unboxing video of the ROIDMI Eve Plus. If you'd like to buy one of these for your own home, you can check it out on AliExpress. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.